Hey you guys, it's Denise at My Luxury First, and today I just want to show you my upper cheek piercing. I went ahead and got another upper cheek piercing. I wanted to get it done and I didn't want to go to the shop, so I just bought the supplies and I had my husband do it for me. And this was his first time, and so the top one I already had, so he just pierced this one for me. And the top one, it used to be a dermal, and I've had this for about 9 years. So the top one was a dermal at first, but then I had little babies, and I always would hold them in my left hand, so they would always knock into my face, and so it made like a little keloid there. But then I ended up putting like tea tree oil on it, and the keloid went away, and then I just ended up getting a straight piercing going through because this is just much easier to take care of. So this one is the 9-year-old one that I've already had. And then this one is fresh pierced.
You're not getting a dermal. You're getting a piercing. A face piercing.
I'm not really happy.
Okay, here, let's do this.
I don't know how far apart it's supposed to be.
Just, let me see.
It looks like the
What?
is like slippy.
It's not flippy. It's not flippy. Ready? Take your breath in and out. 1. I'm trying to get a good grip.
No, you need some fucking gloves on probably.
Take breath in and out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ow.
Right there up on your spot. You take a look.
And I will show you also the things that I bought so that way we could do it at home. So I went ahead and bought the like clamping thing, and it came with black gloves. I believe it came with this marker. I can't remember if I already had that or not. And it came with some needles, 16G and also a 14G. So it was like 5 needles each. And I use the 14. I also have like the gun and stuff, but you can't use the gun for your face. You have to use one of those needles. So I used that. And it came with a bunch of earrings like these, but they're so small. Like some of them are for piercing your belly button, or I'm probably gonna get another lip piercing. They're so small, so I just used my earrings that I already had. The kit was like maybe $14, and the gun was like maybe another $10. So when I got my dermal pierce in Vegas, it was $70, and then when I got it like straight through, I think it was like $40. So just depends where you go, but now I got one for free. And this is how it looks. So if you like this video, if you're gonna be doing your own piercing at home, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, it didn't hurt at all. I know I said ow, but it didn't really hurt. It didn't really hurt. I think clamping it is like pinching it hurts more. Not really hurts, it's just a pinching. So basically you're like pinching your skin and then you're just going straight through with the needle. And so it doesn't really hurt. I was just super nervous and so it's not painful at all. You can go ahead and get your piercing done at home. And that was my husband's first time doing a piercing like this, so hopefully it doesn't like keloid up. It does have like a little bleeding, so I'm just gonna clean around it, twist it every day, and leave it in there for a little while, and then switch the earrings out. I'm pretty excited about it. I really like it. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.